Hey everyone, and welcome back to our Nursing Skills Lab. Today, we're breaking down a fundamental procedure, the subcutaneous injection. Whether you're a nursing student or just need a quick refresher, this one's for you. First things first, gather your supplies. Alcohol swabs, the correct medication, a syringe with the right needle size, gloves, and a sharps container. Hand hygiene is non-negotiable, so wash up. Next, identify your patient and explain the procedure. We're using the abdomen today, a common site. Remember to stay at least 2 inches away from the navel. Clean the area with an alcohol swab and let it air dry. Now, gently pinch the skin. With a quick dart-like motion, insert the needle at a 45 to 90-degree angle depending on the patient's tissue. Slowly inject the medication. Withdraw the needle, activate the safety, and dispose of it immediately. Apply gentle pressure, but don't rub. And that's it. Practice makes perfect. For more nursing tutorials, hit that subscribe button.